This is a story about Captain Copyright, Tommy Trademark, Larry Law and Pepe the Pirate. Copyright. This is Captain Copyright. Captain Copyright prevents the plagiarism of any original work produced. He uses his powers to apply copyright. Each piece of work can have multiple copyrights. The duration of copyright in dramatic works such as film and television is 70 years after the death of the last remaining production bigwig, for example the director or the composer. In sound recording, Captain Copyright's protection lasts for 50 years after its creation. Captain Copyright's protection is due to be extended to 70 years in November 2013, bringing it in line with other Captain Copyrights. For instance, the Beatles track Love Me Do expired in December 2012. Two independent labels have now released versions to extend its copyright. Each part of musical works such as the lyrics and composition would be protected by separate Captain Copyrights. Ownership. Mr. Employer is the first owner of the copyright. Eddie Employee thinks of an idea, but his idea does not belong to him, it belongs to Mr. Employer. Mr. Employer commissions Freddie Freelance to produce a piece of work. This work belongs to Freddie Freelance and not Mr. Employer. However, Freddie Freelance can transfer ownership if he decides. It is also possible for Freddie to have joint ownership, but the transfer must be in writing. Broadcasts. Captain Copyright also protects Billy Broadcast and his electronic transmission of visual images, sounds and information whilst being consumed by the public. Pepe the Pirate was duplicating and distributing copyrighted work. Larry Law wasn't happy. He fined Pepe the Pirate a lot of money. Pepe got away lightly this time as he could have faced an injunction or even a jail sentence. Trademarks. Introducing Tommy Trademark. His job is to protect companies' identities and branding. He gives exclusive rights to a trademark for a company. Tommy Trademark has to be renewed every 10 years, but he can live forever. Companies contact the Intellectual Property Office in the UK in order to register with Tommy Trademark. Tommy Trademark protects words, slogans, designs, internet domain, names as well as shape and packaging of goods. Larry Law protects Tommy Trademark if Pepe the Pirate makes unofficial, identical copies of the registered trademark and sells them. Larry Law may again punish Pepe with injunctions, damages and orders of the erasure of work and the removal and obliteration of infringing articles. Entertainment law. Larry Law facilitates an agreement during live performance through an agent. The promoter pays the artist, then the agent takes a percentage. The manager receives 20% of the artist's income for a period of 5 years, provided the manager secures a recording or publishing deal. A non-disclosure agreement protects confidential information for a specified period of time and is enforced by Larry Law. This prevents disclosure unless it is already available to the public. Design rights. Larry Law protects registered product designs for 25 years over 5-year periods, protecting the whole or part of the product, the novelty and individual character. Larry Law protects registered products if Pepe the Pirate makes, sells or deals in products which incorporate the design without a different overall impression. For example, Samsung and Apple. It does not constitute infringement during private, educational or experimental acts. Larry Law protects an unregistered design in the EU for 3 years and in the UK for up to 15 years. Any employee's designs are owned by Mr. Employer if designed during the course of his employment. If a design has been commissioned for money, the commissioner is the owner of the design. Patents. You must apply to patent your work. It is not automatic like copyright. The patent will last for 20 years and a public record will be made. A patent is successful if the idea or design is original from any other patented idea or design. If Pepe the Pirate tried to infringe on a patent, Larry Law can issue injunctions, the destruction of offending articles, and claim back any damages or profits from anyone in breach of the patent. Piracy. Poor old Pepe the Pirate. He has gone too far and Larry Law has decided he has had enough. Pepe the Pirate was sharing unauthorised copyrighted materials. Larry Law gave Pepe a fine of £250,000, which included loss of earnings and damages to the original owner. Poor old Pepe was also given 5 years in prison.